Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download voice messages from Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And by the way, you won't be able to do it on mobile. You have to open up a computer browser. Now in here, go to the Messenger section. And then once done, go ahead and click on See All in Messenger. Okay? Click on it. Now go and find the specific message where you wanted to download the specific voice message. For example, this one. Okay, so what you'll do in here is just right click on the voice message itself and go and click on inspect. Okay, here we have the developer tools of our browser. So just go ahead and make it bigger if you want to. Now in here, go to on network and go ahead and make sure to load on media. Okay, click on media, wait for it. And if you want to as well, if it's not showing in here, tap on play. Okay. And refresh the page. There you go. So as you can see, when you scroll up, it will load up all the medias that is connected to the, or that is shown to the specific page of the Messenger. So what you'll do is go ahead and find it, double click on one.
Yo, bro, I have texted it.
As you can see, another one.
Hi, bro.
Another one.
Yo, big bro.
Okay, now if you want to download it, just click on three dots and hit on download. Save it wherever you want, save, and once done, you're good to go. All right, that is it.
Yo, big bro. You.
I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.